on. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go and get started. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. All right, guys. Not a lot of price action today. We're still consolidating a bit in a lot of the markets. So markets were that was up only 13 points. Nasdaq was down. S&P was down. So not a lot of action today. All right, but let's go through the markets. All right. The news, big news on the dollar, though, right? So the dollar is still holding right here. So still holding, not a lot of change, but at least it's holding, right? So dollar is closed at 106.0504. So it's holding. If we remove this trend line right here, you guys will see it's holding right here. All right. So that's good. That's good for the dollar. Holding again, right? If the dollar continues to move higher, though, that will put pressure on the equity markets. All right. As far as futures, our US 30, where is it? Right over here. We did have some buying that came in today on the US 30. We had a buy signal that failed, and then we had another buy signal. All right, so just very choppy. If you guys look here, now this on the 60-minute time frame. All right, and that's just has been the story, right? Very choppy trading. All right, so on the 60-minute here, very, very choppy for the last, what's that, 7 days. All right, 7 days, very, very choppy. We had a decent trade here, long, but very choppy in here. On the daily time frame, now this goes back about a year and a half, right? Um, very, still caught between support and resistance here. All right, so just know that we have to be careful. All right, we are seeing better trades long, right? Just like this one here we just showed. All right, to go long. All right, and it has been, here's a great trade long here, right? Continuing to try to move higher, but again, choppy. All right, very, very choppy. All right. There is a good chance, though, that it can move. All right, this the US 30 could move back to resistance. All right. Now, if this can sometimes happen, right, where we get white candles and then sellers come back in to push the price lower. All right. So just be flexible. With your direction, either long or short. Currently, we're down on the daily. All right. All right. Let's go through. We don't have a lot of information to go through this evening. All right. So, but let's get to it. Okay. Long positions in Monster Scalper. So, long positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Swiss yen, still holding its long position. Buy signal is here, right, and still holding, right, waiting to break through resistance. All right, right here, Swiss yen, Hong Kong yen, HKD, JPY still holding here. CAD yen, that closed. So buy signal was here, right? Hit support today. So close that trade. So CAD yen, all right, close that trade, please. All right. Now we send out these picks last night. So we saw a trade with the Kiwi pairs. All right, the New Zealand Kiwi pairs. Let's see how they did. All right. So Aussie New Zealand. All right. We send out this buy signal here yesterday. We saw that moving higher last night. All right. So good trade going here with Aussie New Zealand. All right. So all the Kiwi pairs. So Aussie New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, buy signal here. That's trading nicely there. And then pound New Zealand, buy signal here, consolidating here, but good trades, right? Nice markdown phase, but Aussie New Zealand really performed well and is holding. All right, again, nice markdown phase. All right, no shorts in a monster scalper right now. All right, notice that we're being selective, guys. Just be selective. Again, still some choppiness in the markets. All right. Forex dominator long positions in Forex dominator, HKD JPY. All right, buy signal here, holding at resistance right here. We just need to break through that resistance, buy signal right here. And we have that's the high right here. All right, so keep that in mind. New Zealand yen, buy signal here, bit of a pullback. All right, SGD JPY, that's slowly moving higher. All right, I tell you, market looks like it just right here. All right, made a high here, so just trading right near the high there, but slowly moving higher there. Right in Forex dominator. That's SGD JPY. ZAR yen buy signal is here. That's a new trade. Right, ZAR yen right here. Right, breaking through resistance right here. And then CAD yen buy signal here, still holding. We have some dollar pairs. USD CZK. All right, buy signal here. All right, holding. All right, not a lot of action, guys. Dollar USD DKK buy signal here, just holding. All right, USD MXN buy signal here. We got in about right here, holding a bit of a pullback, but holding. All right. I guess it's better than going lower, right? A lot of these are just either holding and not a lot of volatility, not a lot of volume. Okay. Let's take a look at the trade we have here in Monster Futures short. Monster Futures short. Our soybean trade. All right. So we got a white candle today, guys. All right. So that's not good. All right. So that's our short. All right. Sell short signal on a break of support right here. White candle came in. All right. Today, we'll go ahead and close that trade. So if anyone is in it, any of our Monster Futures traders, right, close this trade. All right. That's your soybean short trade. So let's close that trade. All right, that can easily get away from us. Okay, sell short signal here, right? White candle. If we get some couple more white candles, green candles, then guess what? We'll have to cover. So just go ahead and close that trade here, right? We don't want this to happen. All right, and that's soybean. All right, let's close that. Let's take a look at equities, equity trades. Now, we've been noticing um, technology and communication services stocks. We're starting to add picks slowly in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Let's see how these did today. All right. AVPT, AVPT. Buy signal is here. That's holding. All right. Buy signal right here, holding. That's technology, AVPT. All right. GWH, DWH. White candle came in today. Buy signal was here. Buy signal was here at $2. Closed today at $1.77. White candle. We'll go ahead and close this trade. Okay, guys. Failing to hold, break resistance, failing to stay above resistance, broke this downward trend line, and we have a white candle right here. All right, this was the last time we got a sell signal right here. Okay, so this is where sellers could come in. Now we could get buyers to come back in, but given the condition of the market, if we've got selling tomorrow, right? If we have selling tomorrow, what you guys will notice, we've had days where we'll have a few days of up days and then big down days, right? So if we get a down day tomorrow, all right, we could see a red candle come in here tomorrow. So let's go ahead and clean this up. Close this trade. GWH, close that trade. Okay. And let's do it here. All right. And that's part of technology. All right. Hey, Sago, welcome, Sago, welcome. All right. SES, all right, buy signal is here. That's holding, fine, good markdown phase, right? Technology, that's holding. ADT, communication services, all right. Broke resistance today, but pull back right below, but still will continue to hold that for now, all right. If you guys look here, I know it's hard to see, but the price is moving higher. All right. So price is moving higher here. We just need it to break out. All right. HU YA. All right. That's communication services. Buy signal is here. This one is breaking out. A decent markdown phase there. TAL, and all these are in stock boss. TAL, communication services. Buy signal was here. All right, at what's that? 838, moving up nicely here at 945. All right, communication services. WW, that's improving. All right, so we had a buy signal here, pull back, right? We talked about this one here. We had some white candles, and we were hoping that buyers would come back in. All right, it does have a decent trend line holding, right? This is where buyers came in, buyers came in, buyers came in, buyers came in. So our hope was, right, buyers would come back in, and we've had 2 days, 2 green days, green candles here. All right, so that's holding. We just need this to continue to move higher, break through resistance. All right, and that's WW, part of communications services sector. All right, so let's take a look at Bull Master. All right, this trades in Bull Master. Now, we don't have, guys, we don't have buy signals. We don't even have buy signals on these indexes on the 240. All right. So we really should not be trading stocks, but we do have, let's see here, if we still have a buy signal. Okay, so we do have still a buy signal communication services. So buy signal is here, green candles. So that looks great. All right, we just need to break through resistance. So that sector still holding. And then technology, a bit of a pullback here, but we have a white candle here. All right, so still holding. Let's take a quick look at energy. All right, so definitely energy. Energy has a green candle. So we'll look for energy stocks this evening. Nice green candle here. If it keeps moving higher, right, we could get a buy signal on energy. All right, let's go through this quickly. So basic materials, gold and silver. Gold there. Technology. Okay, so gold and silver. All right, so Bull Master. All right. DRS, buy signal is here. That's holding fine. Technology. All right. KTOS, buy signal was here. 1670 was the buy signal. It's at 1760 right now, breaking out. All right. Again, that's part of technology. All right. So we're not getting into any, just randomly getting in. And we're not getting into all of the sectors, just technology and communication services right now. We'll take a look at energy and possibly gold. All right. So PLTR, nice breakout here in bull master. SMC, all right, buy signal, a bit of a pullback, right? Trading at 294 right here. Good one for options. So our option traders, right? You guys want to take a look at that. Anthony, you're on here, so you might want to take a look at that. But be careful, trade lightly, okay, guys? All right. SYM, SYM, buy signal here. That's part of technology, right? Buy signal came in here. All right. We added this yesterday on a buy signal at 43 and change. Nice move up today. 3 points up 46.29. Okay. Good trade going here. That's SYM. SYNA buy signal here at 92. Trade close today at 96.67. All right, so it's breaking out of that resistance area there. All right, and this is part of SYNA technology. All right, VRT, all right, part of technology, right? Technology sector in Bullmaster. Buy signal here, right? Retraced a bit, but now moving higher. If you guys can see this here, it's breaking out right here. All right. And this has a really nice cup and handle here. Nice cup and handle right here. So the markets hold, right? This stock here should move. Very strong stock, right? Gapping up here. Nice price action, gapped up here. All right, very strong stock there. All right, VRT. Okay, and that's technology. The next one, BAH, part of communication services. Buy signal here, right here at 122, trading at 128 right now. So good trade here going with BAH. All right. All right. Let's take a look at new opportunities. Let's see here in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. And we'll stick with those two sectors and look to see if we find anything in energy and basic materials. All right, let's go ahead and run heat seeker. So we've got 17. All right. All right, technology. All right, LFMD, that's gone. All right, nothing here. All right, nothing here. Now remember, guys, don't expect a lot. We should not be trading stocks. So don't expect, this is only 17. Normally we get, you know, a lot more. All right, BLND. All right, good markdown phase on the weekly time frame. We have a white candle here. All right, so we've got some buying that's coming in. This stock fell from $20 all the way to $1.45. All right, so let's take a look at the daily, and this is communication services. Okay, so let's take a look at what the daily looks like here. All right, daily looks good. Nice markdown phase. All right, and we have a buy signal here. All right, accumulation, high accumulation, but buy signal here. All right, BLND at $1.45. All right, so clean buy signal right here. Nice markdown phase. So we'll go ahead and add this BLND in Stock Boss. And that sector is communications services. All right. So not bad. All right. HUYA, we in that one already. All right. SPWH, no buy signal here. All right. Um, Basic materials, that's gold and silver. Let's see what we have here. Very choppy weekly time frame, but we have green candles. That's all we need. All right, on the weekly. Take a look at the daily. We have a buy signal on the daily. Let's take a look at the chart here. All right, not a very good chart, but what's nice is we are breaking out of a high here. All right, so we're breaking out of the high here. Buy signal came in at $6.46. All right, let's we can make sense of this. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right, let's bring in a trend line. Guys, we're just trying to, the market isn't healthy. We're just trying to find some opportunities here, okay? All right, but these sectors are moving. Tech is moving, all right, and communications is moving, okay? So a buy signal came in right here, 468, or about there. Close today at 506, and it's breaking out, all right? Let's take a quick look at the weekly. If the weekly looks good, again, right? The weekly isn't great, but let's bring in, let's do this. Let's bring the monthly to see. All right. Okay, so on the monthly, right, we have a better pricing. On the monthly, right, we're getting ready to break. Look at that. On the monthly, weekly looks horrible. But on the monthly here, all right, we're looking big candle here for the month, right here. Right here, big candle here, and looking to break through resistance here. So we'll add this one, HY, HMY, and that is basic materials. So that's gold and silver. All right. So we're going to add gold and silver sector. Okay. So we've got three sectors now. So HMY in stock boss, and that's basic materials is the sector. Um, Industry, gold and silver. All right. Let's see here. No energy. So we don't have any energy here. All right. All right. All right. A bull master. Let's run this. Looks like we have more in bull master. All right. So 25 in bull master. All right. Technology, we've got two technology. SYM, we're in this one already, I believe. Yes, SYM, we're in this one. All right. Look at this, guys. Got in yesterday and nice move today. Technology, SE. We have a buy signal in SE. We need that. We talked about this one yesterday, guys. All we need more buy-in to come in. We need confirmation. All right. It is flattening. All right, but we need at a minimum a white candle here coming in on the weekly. All right, to call a buy signal here. What can easily happen is that sellers could come back in, all right, and push the price down, kind of like they did here. All right, so we just need, all right, we have a buy signal on the daily. We just need more buying to come in on the weekly there. Okay. All right. All right. So that's it for technology. Communication services, GPS. All right. So we're not in that one. So let's take a look here. GPS. All right. So good markdown phase. Looking here, right here. All right. Green candles. Buyers are coming in there. With any of these guys, trade lightly. Okay. If you're going to trade these, trade lightly. All right. GPS. All right. Really good markdown phase here. Stock fell from 25. All right. This is a bit tricky here, but really clean buy signal here. All right. We'll need to get past resistance here. All right. A high here of 15. All right. Buy signal came in at 1174, close today at 1246. We'll add that. All right. So GPS in Bullmaster. And what sector is this? This is communication services. All right. I am going to try to get you guys out of here early this evening. We don't have a lot. All right. Okay, FYBR, but every time I say that, we end up. All right. FYBR in Bullmaster. All right, we have a white candle here, right? So selling, now we've got a white candle coming in. That's good. So buyers are trying to come in there. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. All right. Very choppy in here, guys. Clean buy signal, but you have a lot of consolidation up here. All right. If you guys, just so that you know, right, we have really good resistance up here, really good support down here. We have a clean markdown phase, but this is where we are right now, and at 1797, 22 is right here. All right, even right here, we've got some resistance right here. So this could prevent. Doesn't mean that we can't move higher with this trade, but a lot of consolidation up here. So we'll let this one pass. All right. And that's FYBR. Let's take a look at AEO. All right. This one looks better. Let's see here. All right. AEO in Bullmaster. All right. Buy signal is right here, guys. Look at this. Much better. Look at the difference, right? Look at the difference. All right. Buy signal here on your weekly, it's breaking out. So buyers here, look here. It's breaking out. Really good markdown phase, right? Right. I always say Peter calls this the mountain. Whenever I see this, I think of Peter calls this the mountain here. Buy signal here, breaking out. All right. That's on the weekly. So good confirmation of the move long. And then here we are. Oh, nice trade. All right. So this one fell from not a great risk reward, but good trade, guys. Good setup here. $28. All right. We've got resistance. Look at this setup. All right. So here is resistance right here. And here it is breaking out. Look at that. All right. So resistance is right here. This is where sellers came in before. We could count this here, here. And guess what? This time we're absolutely breaking out of that. All right. So when you look for opportunities, look for these good trades. All right. So nice upward trend line. Buy signal came in yesterday on a nice breakout right here. All right. That's what we like to see. All right. And the weekly looks good. All right. Weekly looks really good. This is where it came from before. All right. Came from before. All that selling has been done. Nice support down here. All right. Nice setup. All right. Good setup. All right. If we take a loss on a trade like that, if it fails, right? If it fails, comes back down, fails, breaks, that's fine. We've done our work. All right. So really good setup here. A E O in Bullmaster. All right. And just notice we passed on the other and we found this one here. And that's communications services. So always, right, those of you with Stock Boss, Bullmaster, just look through these opportunities. Okay. All right. USM, very strong stock here on the weekly. We just need a buy signal on the daily. Look at these candles here, big candles, right, on the weekly here. Daily looks good. All right. We just need a buy signal. Very strong stock there. We just need a buy signal. So we'll wait on this one. All right. TDS, same thing. Guys, they're moving some of these stocks even without the market being healthy right now, bullish. They're moving these stocks. Can you imagine, right? All right. So this one here, almost identical, very strong stock, gapping up. Look at that gap up. Look at these candles, big candles. All right. Look at that. We just need a buy signal. All right. We just need a buy signal here. So we'll wait on that. No hurry. They'll come. All right. ANF, that's gone. All right. So that's communication services. Now we have a few energy here in Bullmaster. So let's take a look. Energy, right? That's gone. Big move there. VST, PR. Moving up nicely. We need a buy signal there. Good price action on the weekly there. All right. And you guys remember we traded energy before, right? And did really well. What, a couple of months ago, 2-3 months ago. All right. So ESTE. All right. Again, this is energy, right? All right. All right. Let's look here. All right. So remember, we're following the sectors now. Okay. So we're not just randomly buying. All right. So here's the energy sector, the XLE. And guys, we have a green candle here. So that selling has been done for now. Green candle. We don't have a buy signal. We don't need a buy signal either, right? But we do have green candles. Buyers are definitely coming in. It's moving higher. All right. So we'll add that sector energy this evening. Okay. All right. So TE. All right. Buy signal. This is on the weekly, guys. Buy signal on the weekly. All right. Nice price action, moving higher, looking to break through the high here. All right. So strong move here. And our trading window, the daily time frame. Now, some of you, if you guys, if you want to, you can bring that time frame down. You can do perhaps a 240 if you wanted. When we analyze it, we do this on a daily, okay, daily and weekly for stocks. But you can certainly just make sure when you lower that time frame, use your signals. Okay, use your signals. All right. So ESTE. All right. A buy signal came in today, guys. Nice buy signal on the break of this resistance, the high right here, all right, at $22. Good upward trend line, strong stocks. Look at this gapping up here, right? This was the previous trade by Bullmaster. Buy signal was here, right here at 1407, right? Gave a sell signal, break of support at 1890. Now we've got another buy signal right here to move higher. So ESTE in Bullmaster. And that is energy, right? Energy. Yes. Yes, energy. Okay. So that's like crude oil. Crude oil. Energy. We'll send this out later this evening to our Bullmaster traders. All right. Another energy stock. So energy. All right. Weekly time frame, guys. Weekly. Here's your mountain here, right? Right. Nice markdown phase, right? 2 weeks of buying. Green candle here, green candle. It's on a weekly time frame. And let's see here on the daily time frame. All right, nice markdown phase, right? All right, so this one fell from about $21. Good markdown phase. All right, a decent accumulation, buy signal, breaking resistance right here. All right, so resistance is right here. This is where sellers came in before. Here we are. Buy signal, your blue arrow right here, candle moving higher. All right, so not bad. So CRK in Bullmaster, and that is energy. All right, we'll leave that trend line there. And again, the weekly looks good. 2 weeks of buying, guys. 2 weeks of confirmed buying. This is why we have that weekly, right? We need to confirm that buyers are coming in. Okay. 2 green candles of buying. And it's made a move before, right? That selling has been done. That's your accumulation. We don't need a buy signal on the weekly. Okay. Right. Just on the daily. All right. I think that's PR. Yeah. I think that's it for energy. Yeah. All right. We don't have any gold, no basic materials here. Let's make sure. All right. So we do have one basic material there, right? Okay. GFI. All right. Choppy, very choppy, but we do have some buying. Big candle here. All right. For the last week, all right, we have resistance about, I would say, probably over here, resistance. Let's take a look at the monthly. This is not clear at all. All right, on the monthly time frame. All right, so we've got buy signal was here. All we need to see is where the price wants to go. All right, so we have a big green candle here for the month. So they've definitely been buying it for the month. All right, current month. And we have a lot of resistance here. At what price is that? Resistance at 1763. A lot of resistance at 1763. Guys, we can actually count this too. So here, this where sellers came in. Sellers came in here. We can count this here, a pullback here. So this time, this might be it. Okay. Let's see here. Trend line right here. So we just need that to continue to move higher. Let's take a look at the daily here. See if we have a trade. If not, no big deal. All right. So not much here, guys. I mean, if you wanted to take the trade, we're not going to, we won't call this very, very wide. You could get it back, buy signal here, right? Get it back to resistance, but this is a big area, big resistance area here. All right. That's a big area here. So, if we were bullish, markets were bullish, we had buy signals on the daily time frames with the indexes, right? You might take a chance on this, but it's not solid. Okay, I think that's it for stocks. All right, quick look. I said I would get you guys out of here early. Never happens. Never happens. Monster scalper. All right, so monster scalper, long positions in monster scalper. Remember the Kiwi pairs we send out, right? Just those are nice moves happening there with the Kiwi pair. So if you're in them, just watch them closely. We could get a move higher. So Aussie, New Zealand, right? We mentioned this one. We're trading that one. Euro, New Zealand, this one here, and then Pound, New Zealand. All right. Now I haven't seen anything else come across. We're in Swiss yen. Let's see if we can find another yen pair. Swiss yen, Hong Kong HKD. No, that's New Zealand. HKD is right here. All right. We're not in a tight consolidation. We have 36 out of 57 pairs that are above 20. But boy, does it sure feels like the market is consolidating, right? Forex. Look at this. I mean, we haven't had any moves here. Look at this, right? Just holding that resistance here. Let's see if we can find. Let's see here. Buy signal on euro yen, but I will wait on that. Okay. Look at what the sellers have done. Every time it gets to resistance here, they've knocked that price back down. So unless we get a big follow through candle, all right, I would wait. Swiss yen, we're in Swiss yen. CAD yen, close the buy. Just very choppy, guys. You guys can reduce the time frame if you want to a smaller time frame, 60, even 30. There are times when we've reduced it to a 30-minute. Even the dollar pairs. And if you guys look at them, these are mixed. They're mixed. All right. I'm just afraid to send out a lot of picks with these. All right. They're mixed, long and short. All right. I mean, we were lucky to get that Kiwi trade last night. Euro pairs, they're all mixed. All right. Let's see here. That's the New Zealand. Nothing here. Euro pound. All right. Let's see what the shorts are doing, and then we'll be done. All right. Pound ZAR. Look at this. They're just holding, guys. All right. Just holding. Nothing. Look at this. Nothing. No trends. Very different. All right. Very different than this short here. Look at this short here. All right. Even this one here, a decent short here, this decent short. Nothing here. All right. Let's see what the top. So pound ZAR is the top trending pair short. So look at this move. Pound ZAR is the top trending pair short, and that's it here. That's the move right there. All right. ZAR yen, that's the top trending long. And look at this. That's the, let's go to the long, and that's the move here. So not a lot, guys, right now. It is what it is. All right. Um, Again, just like we've had to do with the US 30 NAS, S&P, reducing those time frames. I know you guys have had some better luck reducing those time frames. Even if you have to go to a, I mean, I hate saying to do this, but you know, a 15-minute time frame to find some opportunities. That might be what you have to do. Okay. We normally don't go that low with Forex. ZAR, yeah, so ZAR yen right here. ZAR yen is the second most trending pair long, and this is it. That's it here, guys. That's it. All right, that's at 42. Euro ZAR short, that's number 3, right? Swiss yen, all right. I'm sorry, New Zealand Swiss short. All right, New Zealand Swiss right up here. So that's it. Not a bad trade here. All right. So not a lot. Not a lot. There's a good short here. The Kiwis. Remember we said the Euro, New Zealand, right? Pound New Zealand, dollar New Zealand, right? Those are going long. All right. So these are going short here. All right. So New Zealand, Swiss on the short side, Kiwi Swiss, Kiwi CAD on the short side. But if you're trading it on the long side, that's fine. The long side looks much better. Look at the short side here. All right. So that's it, guys. That's all I've got. All right. But equity is surprising, right? Surprising that we're finding we don't have buy signals in equities on these indexes, and we've got some opportunities. All right. In Stock Boss and Bullmaster. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Right. If you have any questions, guys, if you have any questions, especially our traders on the markets currently, right? If you guys are frustrated, if you're having any issues, just let me know. All right. And I'll walk you guys through some things we can do. And on Fridays, we'll talk about perhaps how you can reduce your time frames. All right. To take advantage of these tight, very tight consolidations. Okay. Or you can just wait until things open up again in Forex. All right. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye.